In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from Etsy to Squarespace. We'll start right at the beginning so nothing is missed. Open a new browser window and search for Squarespace. When the results appear, click the official Squarespace link. This takes you to the homepage where you can sign in. Go ahead and log into your account using your usual credentials. If you manage more than one site, make sure you're in the correct website dashboard before moving on, so your products land in the right place. Inside your dashboard, locate the Products and Services area, then select Products. This is where all of your store items live in Squarespace. If your left-hand menu looks a little different, that's okay. Just look for the section where your products are listed. Once you're in the Products view, look toward the top right corner and click Import. This opens the importer, which is designed to bring items in from other platforms without needing to rebuild them from scratch. You'll see a list of e-commerce platforms. Choose Etsy from the options. Selecting Etsy tells Squarespace to prepare the fields and mapping that match Etsy listings. Depending on your account setup, you might be prompted to confirm access or permissions. Just follow the on-screen prompts if you see them. Next, you'll be asked for your Etsy shop name. Type the exact shop name as it appears on Etsy, not the URL, and then click Get Started. Using the correct shop name helps Squarespace identify the right source for your listings. If you're unsure, you can double-check it in your Etsy shop settings before entering it here. If you prefer not to connect directly, or if you already have a file ready, there's an alternative method right on this screen. Drag and drop the CSV file containing your Etsy listings into the uploader area, then click Import. Make sure the file is a .csv format exported from Etsy so the columns match what Squarespace expects. If you've edited the file, keep headers intact and watch for special characters to avoid import errors. This method is handy if you want more control over what goes in or if you're working from a backup. Once the import begins, give it a moment to process. The time it takes can vary based on how many listings you have and the size of your images. When it's done, your products will appear in your Products section, ready for any final adjustments like pricing checks, categories, or visibility settings before you publish. That's all you need to import your Etsy items into Squarespace smoothly.